Hey, this is Keshav Malpani. Welcome back to 12 Minutes to CLAT. In this particular session, I'm going to be discussing some very basic and some very structural details about CLAT 2026 for those aspirants who are willing to start their preparation now. So I will be discussing the entire syllabus, about the application form, the date of the exam, the admission processes, about the NLUs and so on. And that will give you a very basic yet very important perspective and understanding about this particular exam. So first of all, CLAT Common Law Admission Test is an exam for all the national law universities in India. So you must have heard about the JEE exam or the NEET exam. So for example, NEET exam is all for the medical schools in India or the medical institutions in India, right? If you want to become a doctor. Similarly, JEE is for the IITs in India. Similarly, in the fields of law, when we talk about the government college per se, there are certain national law universities. Okay, so these national law universities are some of the premier law institutions in the country, and they have that kind of reputation as par with the IIT or an IIM or a top medical college in the field of law. ठीक है, field एकदम अलग है, profession एकदम अलग है, तो यहाँ पर एक particular field है. Now a lot of people would generally ask you कि is law a lucrative field at all? So you can follow this particular series. I'm going to be coming up with a video as to what kind of career opportunities you can expect. But in this video, I will keep it very simple and very straightforward as to how to go about the preparation. So CLAT as an exam happens in the month of December. So CLAT 2026 is going to happen in December 2025 itself. So if you are in 12th standard and you are going to write your 12th board, let's say in March 2026, आपका exam पहले ही हो जाएगा, and then you will be free for your board exams as well, right? Now, how does this exam work? There are 5 sections in this particular exam. The first one is the English language section. It has about 23 to 25 marks. English language is a series of comprehension passages. We've all done that in school as well. It's just that the severity, or you could say the difficulty level, is slightly higher in those passages. So you need to have good reading speed as well, and you need to have good comprehension. Nobody has it from the start, but that is what to prepare for, right? Second subject is GK or current affairs. Here you get most of the current affairs, particularly of the last 12 months. And that is what we study really in deep, because CLAT expects you to know a current affair in and out. All the questions are passage based, right? So passage based questions में क्या होते हैं? Let's say for example they give you a passage on a particular current affair का topic, कोई भी topic ले लो. Let's say इस साल एक budget आया था, तो government के budget पर उन्होंने topic दिया. So they will ask you 5 to 7 questions on the same topic. So you need to have very in-depth understanding about these things, right? So इसीलिए we do a lot of these kinds of sessions in classes. You can watch the current affairs playlist also on this particular channel, जहाँ से आपको समझ में आएगा as to how to go about it and what are certain ways in which to cover this particular section. Third is a specialized section for CLAT, which is legal reasoning. It's a law entrance exam at the end of the day. So legal reasoning is the most interesting subject. दोनों current affairs and legal reasoning carry about 30 से 32 marks. So these two subjects cover 50% of your paper, right? It's a very interesting subject, legal reasoning. There are so many new things to learn, but extremely interesting, and we have one of the best educators in India teaching you current affairs as well as legal reasoning, right? Then we move on to the logical reasoning bit. Logical reasoning कह सकते हो is one of the easiest yet a section जो अगर आपको नहीं आता ना, तो you're always quite confused. और अगर एक बार आ जाता है, then you make zero mistakes in this. And it has been seen in CLAT every year that logical reasoning is the easiest section, right? So it is divided into 2 parts, which is critical reasoning and analytical reasoning. Critical reasoning is certain passages जहाँ पर आपको कुछ questions मिलेंगे, on the basis of passage आपको identify करने पड़ेंगे. अभी strengthening, weakening, कई सारे अलग-अलग type के passages होते हैं जिसे आपने पहले नहीं किए होंगे. So this will be something new for you. And then there will be analytical reasoning, जिसमें थोड़ा सा आप कह सकते हो कि numbers से हम लोग खेलेंगे, है ना? Very basic though, right? And the last part is data interpretation और basic maths, जो करीब 10 से 12 नंबर की ही आती है. And all of us are scared of maths. We hate this particular subject. ये बस कहाँ खत्म हो जाए बस कहीं पे, right? So you don't have to worry about it, because 10th तक आपने trigonometry वगैरह की थी, calculus वगैरह किया था, वो भी नहीं आता इसमें, ठीक है? 11th 12th में maths की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आपके पास नहीं भी, it's completely fine. So many people from humanities do this particular exam, and obviously like you don't have a stream का problem. जैसे अगर आपको IIT JEE देना है तो you need to have PCM. अगर आपको NEET देना है you need to have PCB. CLAT can be given by any stream, commerce, humanities, PCM, PCB. आपके पास कोई भी stream हो, you can do this particular exam, no problem there, right? So maths आपको 8th standard level का आएगा. We used to do those topics like profit and loss, if you remember, percentages and averages, and a ratio proportion, questions like area perimeter. Those are the kind of questions they would be asking you and judging you on, right? So 120 questions, 120 minutes. Although the questions are quite lengthy, so you need to have very good practice, and where you have to do a lot of mock tests during the year, right? So when you start a preparation within 2 to 3 weeks, you have to start with mock tests. Even if you get a low score, you have to start with it. So this is not exactly like your school preparation. School preparation is more convenient in the sense that we have certain books. हमको पता है questions इसमें से ही आएगा आगे पीछे, and we can refer to them to prepare with. This is very different. यहाँ पर you have to keep working, keep doing those mock tests, increase your attempts, increase your score, right? So to improve everything about a CLAT preparation, we have brought a very efficient and the most affordable batch for you called Vijay Bhava and Vijay Bhava Plus. In these particular batches, the Plus batch is basically an online-offline hybrid batch. We will take all the classes from the comfort of your home on our portal, the most efficient portal that you would find, and we will send you the books and the mock test to your doorstep so that you can prepare well CLAT तरीके से, because CLAT is an offline exam, है ना? OMR में आपको mark करना पड़ता है MCQ, so we will send the question papers, OMRs, everything to your houses so that आप घर पे बैठ के एकदम वो CLAT environment में अपने exams को लिख सको, so that you get that complete kind of guidance, right? काफी ज्यादा basic to advanced we will take this course, and you can always contact us on these numbers for anything that you would like to know. All the features of the batches would be, you could say, given to you by these people. You can always use my code Malpani to get additional discount on this. There is no point paying 70, 80, 90,000, 1 lakh rupees for this kind of an exam. It's a very affordable institute, and we have had a history of producing outstanding results in the past, and we are hoping to do that with you guys as well. There is also an incentive for people who are willing to work hard. We have something called the Shakuntala Scholarship that gives you 100% refund of your fees if you get it all in a rank under 300. The reason for that is to incentivize meritorious students. Sometimes we feel that यार exam नहीं हो पाएगा, कुछ obstacles आते तो हमें लगता है कि यार are we even cut out for it? So in order to do away with those kinds of doubts and keep working really hard throughout the year, this is an incentive for all of you to get all your money and study virtually for absolutely free, right? So start the preparation right away with 12 minutes to CLAT, and I personally am going to take care of all the quality with respect to our study material, with respect to the educators, the kind of classes being done, the number of classes being done, and we are going to be doing these classes in the evening so that everybody who's even going to school is able to manage your schedule really properly. All the strategies, all the concepts, all the practice, everything will be done by our top educators who have themselves had the experience of writing this exam and clearing it. I am myself from NLU Jodhpur, one of the top law schools in the country, and I will be guiding you with respect to everything for this particular exam with my outstanding team. All the best, guys. I hope to see you in my classes. You can visit 12minutes2clat.com or download our app from Play Store or App Store and start the preparation right away with us. All the best. I'll see you in my classes.